These crispy potato balls are stuffed with savory meat sauce and mozzarella cheese, and the cheese pool is absolutely ridiculous. Crunchy on the outside, cheesy on the inside. Let's start with about 1.5 pounds of potatoes. Cook them in salted water until they are fork tender and nice and soft. Drain the potatoes and let the excess moisture steam off for a few minutes. Then peel them while they are still warm. While the potatoes are still hot, mash them until they are smooth and lump-free. Once the potatoes have completely cooled, add 1 large egg yolk, 40 grams of cornstarch, paprika, salt, and 30 grams of Parmesan cheese. Mix it all together until a soft potato dough comes together. Pop the potato dough into the fridge for about 15 minutes. For the meat filling, start by sautéing 1 large finely diced onion in a little oil until it's soft and lightly golden. Add 150 grams of ground beef, breaking it up as it cooks, so there are no large chunks, seasoned with paprika, black pepper, and salt. Crush in 2 cloves of garlic, then add a heaping tablespoon of tomato paste, and cook it for another minute or 2, stirring constantly until it darkens slightly and develop a rich flavor. And don't forget the oregano. Add a splash of hot water and scrape up all those flavorful bits from the bottom of the pan. Then cook it down until the mixture is thick and most of the liquid has evaporated. Grab about 100 grams of the chilled potato dough and flatten it out in your hand. Place some of the cooled meat filling and a chunk of mozzarella in the center. Fold the dough over the filling, seal the edges, and gently roll it into a smooth ball, patching up any cracks as you go. Start with a light dusting of flour to dry the surface of each bowl, then dip it into the egg yolk until fully coated, and finish by rolling it into Panko breadcrumbs for that perfect even crunch. For the best crispy result, place the coated bowls in the fridge for at least 30 minutes before frying. This helps them firm up and is the secret to a professional quality crust. Fry them in hot oil for about a minute per side until they turn golden and crispy. Fry them one at a time so the oil temperature stays steady and the crust stays perfect. If you enjoyed it, make sure to like and subscribe, and serve immediately with a creamy mix of mayo, mustard, and ketchup on the side. And enjoy!